Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Open cooker lid to reveal the inner lid. Press upward on the two tabs to release the inner lid and remove the lid. Using your fingers, grasp the sides of the steam collector and pull to remove. The inner lid and steam collector can be washed in hot, sudsy water. Dry thoroughly with a soft cloth. To reinstall the steam collector, insert the left side or right side first. Then, push in the other side to clip into place. To reinstall the inner lid, set the bottom of the lid into the groove of the base. Push upward on either tab and push the top of the lid back to click into place.